Most people think automating your life with AI means building some complicated system or writing code. It doesn't. The real goal is simple. Stop wasting your brain on tiny, repeatable tasks so you can use it for the work that actually matters. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you 5 ways to automate your daily life with AI, starting today. No coding required. First, turn your inbox into a summary, not a job. Instead of reading 30 emails, paste the important thread into AI and say, summarize this in 5 bullets. What's urgent? What do I need to reply? Draft a reply in a friendly tone. You go from overwhelmed to done. Second, automate your day plan in 30 seconds. Every morning, write, here are my tasks. Turn this into a realistic schedule with breaks and a top 3 priority list. Now your day stops feeling like chaos and starts feeling like a plan. Third, use AI as a decision filter. Anytime you're stuck, buying something, choosing a workout, planning a trip, ask, give me 3 options, pros and cons, then recommend one based on my goal. This saves insane amounts of time because decision fatigue is real. Fourth, turn learning into a system, not a rabbit hole. Instead of watching random videos, tell AI, teach me this topic simply, then quiz me, then make a 7-day learning plan. Now the internet isn't entertainment, it's progress. Fifth, automate notes into action. After a meeting, class, or even a YouTube video, paste your messy notes and say, summarize the key points, create action steps, and turn this into a checklist. Messy input, clean output. Now, here's the secret that makes AI automation actually work. Don't ask AI to do your whole life. Ask it to do the repeatable parts, summaries, drafts, checklists, plans, templates. And once you save a few prompts, you basically build your own personal assistant on demand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.